Well, hi there. This is Ron Rogers, and our first thing was, what the heck is that? Well, it's from Beta Technologies. It's an all-electric airplane. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Up here at Oshkosh Air Adventure, and the crowds today were amazing. We're waiting for the bus to go to the main area, but that is pretty amazing. See if they'll let me get close without running me away. That is pretty amazing looking airplane.
Like to fly this to 200-mile range. Yeah. Let's say to fly this 100 miles, it's going to cost X kilowatt hours.
All right, that is interesting. It's the wonderful thing about Oshkosh. Interesting airplanes, and it's just beginning.